What up guys and welcome to LOfitnez. I'm Lawrence. Today I'm about to show you how to do the basic bounce. The basic bounce is the mother of all jump rope tricks. So perfecting this trick will enable you learn other jump rope tricks at ease. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Hello and welcome to the tutorial proper. I'd like us to start with the right body posture and how to grip the rope properly. Grip the handles lightly in your hands with your hands close to your waist region. This will enable maximum and smooth movement at your wrist joint. As you can see, I'm holding a long light-weighted handle, but this grip is same for short handles as well. So I'll show you this posture and grip from different angles for better understanding. Let's move on to the hand. Here, you shall see how the hands rotate. This rotation is maximum at the wrist joint. Hand movement is very important to this move, especially rotation at the wrist joint. This is because it determines the fluidity of this move as a jump. Another important aspect of this move is the footwork. Try to put your legs together but not so close. And when making a jump, try not to jump so high, but land on the balls of your feet. Let's demonstrate what we've learned so far without a rope. Here we should start with the tap game. You should jump a few times while tapping your thigh. Once you're done tapping your thigh, let's incorporate the hand movement. Like I said earlier, hand movement is very important to this move, especially movement at the wrist joint. Let's learn how to properly whip the rope for this move. Remember, for every jump rope trick, the rope has to be behind, which is the natural position. Then whip it forward. For this move, The first whip will require movement of your upper limb, that is, your shoulder down to your hand. But subsequent whips will require you to stabilize your upper limb, allowing maximum movement at your wrist joint and also minimal movement at your elbow joint. This will make you look professional. Intentionally stopping your flow because you got it at the first trial is detrimental to your progress. So I advise you to allow the rope to stop you naturally. So, if the rope does not trip, keep jumping until you get tired. Let's put all we've learned so far together and make some few single jumps before we proceed to the next level. Wow, if you've gotten this far, appreciate yourself with the sound cloud. Now let's practice what we've learned so far. We shall make 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 5 jumps, or even 10 jumps. Feel free to jump as much as possible, but first, let's begin with 2 jumps and follow the progress exactly as I do in this video. As you jump, try as much as possible to keep to the best practices. Try not to jump so high, land on the balls of your feet, and when you make your jumps, do not fold your leg or flex at the knee joint. It's very important.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, patience and the right practice make perfect. If you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the notification button cause more lovely videos are coming your way. Do take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.